Let's make the Smuggler's Cove version of a Navy Grog. To make this drink, I'm going to start with my juices. I'm going to start with 3/4 of an ounce of grapefruit juice. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. 3/4 of an ounce, let's see if I can grab it without dumping everything, of lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. 1/4 ounce of Smuggler's Cove Demerara syrup, and I do have a recipe for this. Well, they have it in the book. I got it from the book. I do have a video on this in the channel if you want to check it out. Link will be down below. 1/4 ounce is 22.5 milliliters. No, 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. Do math, do math. 1/4 ounce of St. Elizabeth Allspice Dram, and they do specify St. Elizabeth. I think you could use whatever you want, really, as long as it's an allspice dram or dram, depending on how you pronounce that. 1/4 ounce, 7.5 milliliters. Now the rums. 1 ounce of our Smith & Cross, which is our number 1 rum. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 1 ounce of our Appleton Estate Signature Blend. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. This is our number 2 rum. A little bit of splash, good luck. And finally, 1 ounce of our Brugal 88, our number 4 rum. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Add some ice. And give it a shake. And a flash shake. It's just a flash shake. Double rocks glass. It says open pour with a gated finish. So we want some ice in there. 1 ice cube. You don't want to waste that. And finally, garnish. The garnish is either going to be an ice cone. Ice cones require special skill, special equipment, and or freezer space. And I don't have any of those 3 things, so I didn't do an ice cone. A rock candy stick, which I didn't feel like getting. So instead, we're going to use this weak little mint that I still had in the fridge. My wife has grown me mint, so hopefully some video, sometime, I'll have some good mint. So sad. Makes me sad. Anyway, there you have it. A Navy Grog from Smuggler's Cove. Drink with good spirits.